Welcome back. We're crafting in the kitchen with Lori from Kearney Walmart. This was just steeped in mystery. Not for Tim.
No, I was aware.
I just had to send it a picture. What are we making?
We are making t-shirts for special occasions. And I thought this was a chance to bring this back. Bonnie did this many, many years ago for graduation. And this would be a great idea for graduation quilts, graduation t-shirts, family reunions, Father's Day, just to be wonderful.
Is it easy to do yourself instead of?
It is easy
This
to
thing's
do.
terrifying.
It is terrifying.
Yeah.
Right, push the little green button. We're using a Cricut Easy Press, which is just like a really glorified iron that just does great for t-shirts. And she's using the regular iron because, well, we only have one. We can't share.
Because I'm old school.
Yep. And basically all it is we sell this in the craft department and we sell this in the stationery department. And this is the stuff you can print your pictures off on. And then you can iron it onto cotton. And then we also sell, if you don't have a Cricut, we have the regular letters.
Oh, it beeped
Keep
everywhere.
going.
Ooh.
Keep going a little bit. Get that E a little bit more.
Get the heat a little more?
Yeah.
Okay.
But if you don't,
hold on
if you have a
for a while.
Cricut, this Cricut stuff is the first time I used it. And everyone, oh, I'm such a chicken. Like, I want to do this so bad. I'm always such a chicken. This stuff is amazing. It comes with a backing. You don't have to line it up or nothing.
What do you think?
Very
All right, let's give it a
cool.
try.
Uh-oh.
Let's see.
Just
Nope, a
another
little bit
reason
more
to
right
get
there.
that
Okay,
Cricut.
okay.
A little bit more right there.
Okay.
Oop, you're getting my cord.
Oh.
Don't
There you
burn
go.
the cord, Tim.
There you go. Let's see how yours is doing. Nope.
Oh. The E.
Not too soon. Not too soon.
Let's try this side. Let's see how this side's doing.
Oh.
Oh, just a little bit more.
more. Okay.
A little more. You're about done. Then we'll switch to Sarah.
It's kind of buckling.
That's a good sign.
Oh, good.
Oh, that's a good sign.
Yeah, that
There
means
you go.
yours is just about done. All right, give it a try.
I'm terrified.
Let's come over here with this one.
Okay.
It's so warm.
Let's Cricut this up.
Oh, not yet. It's not quite ready yet.
Not
Well, it's
quite ready
hot,
yet?
So you made these all on the Cricut.
I made the letters all on the Cricut. You can get fonts online. You can buy fonts through Cricut. We do have regular iron-on stuff.
though. Oh, we're close. We're close.
So close.
We're close.
So close.
The E needs it. The E needs it.
He needs it.
Best picture ever, by the way.
Oh,
It's the best picture ever.
Is that a new picture? Did you do it specifically for that?
I'm not really sure. I just kind of found it on my phone. I was like, yep, that'll work. Excellent zoom in, by the way, Christian. That was amazing. Well done.
E's not quite done.
That E is troublesome.
I
E is
know,
troublesome.
My E's cause me
See, it's
problems
the E.
too.
It is. This one's so much better at home.
Well, clearly, because this is amazing.
All right.
I like having
Oh.
you here though to tell us, oh, not ready, because otherwise I'd get
Oh, yeah, we'd have screwed
impatient
this up
and
so
just
bad.
ripped it off.
We'd have messed this up
Oop,
so bad.
B's not
We're
quite
getting
ready.
closer
We're
over
getting
here.
closer. We're getting closer.
We got 2 letters left.
We have 2 letters left.
Ooh.
How's your coming?
Well, it's that
Crank
darn,
the heat up.
that darn E.
Put the heat as high up as it'll go. See what happens.
I think Tim's just about there.
Ooh.
Oh, oh,
Whoa.
oh, oh.
Ah, there we go.
Oh, good
All right.
job.
Shazam.
Let's step over here and
That's
get your
right.
E.
All right.
That's right. I'm going to wear this every day.
That's right.
I'm
Best
going to wake up
dad
in this shirt and be like, what's
ever.
up, kids? What's up?
But this nice little plastic
sparkly.
thing is so you don't have to.
I was born to sparkle, Sarah. Thank you very much.
You were born to sparkle, to line it up. That's why I picked glitter. We do have it in non-glitter. We do have it
Who
in
would want
plain
that,
black.
though?
Yeah, you
weird
gotta have the
people.
glitter.
Weird
I'm
people.
going to be wearing this when my kids get home from school
This
today.
is like the only glitter
Oh.
I'm probably allowed to use.
Thank you, Lori. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. We'll wrap up. I'll show you maybe in the next block.
There you go.
We'll be right back.